Alrighty, got the engine parts back. Got the new pistons with the dome on the top. They cut them 40 over. Got the block done, hot tank, and they put new cam bearings. New cam bearings, boiled the block, took all the freeze plugs out. Got the heads redone. Did a valve job on that. Here's your other heads. Crankshaft, full gasket set, Velcro, got timing chain, set of piston rings, cam bearings, connector rod bearings, lifters, oil pump. We have a new camshaft. And over here, we have the old piston, old cam, new head bolts, new push rods, and we have the new rocker arms in there. All the new parts to rebuild this engine.